back to it again. So, yep. Resonator delete. That's where the resonator usually sit on this type of vehicle. Nice straight pipe. Nice tip. So, it's pretty warm. So resonator delete with the Borla muffler. Yeah. So in that Borla muffler is like straight through, straight through. So the thing that I have resisting now is the cat. That's one right there. The other two is up there. So this vehicle comes with 3 cats. Goodness. Sounds really good though. Really good. Signing off. Hold on. Let's start it up and hear it actually sounds, because I didn't start it up and I picked it up.